There could be more than a foot of snow at our local mountain resorts this morning. CBS News' Kandiss Crone is live in Phelan with a look. Good morning, Kandiss. I can see the snow falling around you.
It is falling, Suzanne, and it's more of like a wet snow as opposed to a light, fluffy snow. So it's almost like a rain and snow mix. But I do want to show you, it has been coming down all morning. You can see there's a little bit of a dusting here. And then this car, as you can see in the distance, covered in snow. This one has been parked here for quite some time. I do also want to give you a look at the 138. We are near the 2 freeway. Several cars have pulled over because the conditions are a little bit slippery. I know we were slipping and sliding at one point, but the road is open to traffic. Let's give you now a look at a Big Bear where it was snowing there all night. The area could get around 1.5 feet of snow above elevations of 5,000 feet. It is a snow day, so students in the Bear Valley School District have no class today. Crews have been out clearing the highways and main roads. And here's what it looked like in Wrightwood. And the snow is really blowing at Mountain High Resort, dumping fresh powder at least 6 inches deep on the slopes. Winds will pick up this afternoon with gusts hovering around 45 to 55 miles an hour in the mountain ridges. And with snow levels dropping low, drivers are concerned and bracing for whiteout conditions and slippery roads.
I was down in Ontario and then I drove up Lone Pine and it started coming down pretty good. It looks like you're driving through Star Wars. All the big flakes. It's really pretty.
And if you are headed up to the mountains, you'll want to pack your chains as the driving conditions there are a bit dicey and Caltrans will be enforcing those chains. But back out here live here in Phelan, we are near this cafe where, as I mentioned, a couple cars have pulled over. The snow, a light dusting here, a couple inches in some places, a little bit deeper on others, but it will continue throughout much of the morning. We are live in Phelan. Kandiss Crone, CBS 2 News.
All right, Kandiss, thanks.